Hey everybody, this is AJ with Blackhawk Bushcraft coming to you with a very quick status update. Yes, I'm still alive. I know I have been MIA for the better part of a couple months. I think the last video that I posted was the S1X knife giveaway for hitting 1,000 subs. One thing that I want to say in reference to that is to the subscriber that won the knife, thank you very much. So I sent Eileen the S1X because she won the drawing, and then in the mail, not many days later, arrived this little Mora Eldris with a thank you note, and I thought that was super chill. This is a great little knife. Has a really sharp spine from a little utility pocket knife for a small fixed blade. What an awesome little knife. So that was really awesome of you to think of me and to send me this knife as a thank you. I really appreciate that. What's going on now in my life in 2025? I have taken the approach to declutter and to de-junk, which means offloading a lot of items that I've accumulated over time, many knives, other gear items that are great items, but items that I just don't gravitate to and don't use. So I've been selling a ton of knives and other items, trying to find good homes for those and give people some pretty good deals that will use them, or even if they don't use them, I don't care. They can clutter up their shelves and houses with whatever it is that they want to do. I don't care. But for me, I was like, I'm going to just keep a small handful of knives that I really enjoy using, that have the profile that I enjoy using. Even if they don't get a whole lot of use all of the time, they are knives that I use. There was one knife in particular though that I did sell to a gentleman in Ontario that I did have a little bit of seller's remorse after selling. The reason why I sold that knife is because I have two of the same model. So I thought, if I can sell this, I still have the one that I'll use, but then I sold it and I was like, why did I do that? But at the same time, it's kind of like this vicious circle. I shouldn't really feel bad for letting it go because it really did go to an incredible gentleman in Ontario that wanted this particular knife. I was able to hook him up and give him a good deal. He's a military brother from another mother and appreciate all that he does in uniform. Being a vet myself, I have a soft spot for those in the veteran and military community, so gave him the opportunity to own an absolutely phenomenal knife. And then I picked up this little knife on a trade, which I shouldn't have done because I'm trying to get rid of things. But I saw this and I was like, okay, a gentleman reached out on one of my tactical style blades. So he's like, hey, I will trade you this little Puko and a hunting knife for that military blade. And this knife is a dead pines knife, or a dead standing pine. It's a Puko, and I know the knife maker as of recent, reached out to him, got some history on the knife, thought that was pretty cool. I'm a sucker for Pukos. Again, not a blade length much longer than the width of my hand, which is what I really prefer. And so I entered a trade with this gentleman, picked up this Puko, gave it a little bit of TLC, got it ship shape for the way that I like a knife, and did the same thing with a hunting knife, and then turned around and resold the hunting knife. Anyways, that's what's been up in my life. Offloading, de-junking. De-junking in the loosest sense of the term, I guess, decluttering my life with really good stuff that's not junk, but trying to rehouse a lot of those items. So I'm sorry this video wasn't bushcrafty, but I just wanted to burp in my mouth on camera and swallow it in front of everybody, because that's what you do when you have a YouTube channel. And then you ramble to make up excuses of why you did that, and something that doesn't make any sense. So why I even told you that I burped in my mouth and why I'm doing it on camera, I have no idea. But so goes it.